3 named storms in the Atlantic. Now, Emily, Franklin, and Gert, you've got 2 separate zones, one of which is going to hit Texas probably late this week. So there's a lot going on. And we may get some effects from that here in Michigan. So let's explain how that's going to happen. Let's start off here with a look at the forecast beginning with tomorrow. Real easy going, upper 70s here for us before we make it late into tomorrow night, and we have a rain chance that's going to build on in. That all goes hand in hand with a very interesting setup that we're dealing with. All right, it's got some names that can be scary that are trending all over the internet. And we're gonna ignore that. What it really is basically something called a heat dome. Think of it like that. It's a big bubble of high pressure. It creates in the 3D atmosphere the shape of kind of a dome of heat, a dome of high pressure. And because of that, it spins clockwise. High pressure spins that way. Notice how it bumps the jet stream all the way up to the north, and it's a large area of heat. Now, throughout the plains, even into parts of Illinois and toward Indiana, they're dealing with a ton of heat this week. For us, notice how we're kind of on the edge of where that curve is. We have heat on Thursday. That is the day where we get the warmest air. However, what's more important is this. It acts almost like train tracks for us to have to watch for a couple different systems to move in. So anything that happens down south in the Gulf, for example, can ride along that and swing its way in. You heard I mentioned something coming off the Gulf into Texas later on this week. If that happens earlier, it can ride along that western edge and send more moisture toward us. But for right now, we're dealing with cooler and drier air going into the weekend. We'll see if that one will shift at all. But for us right now, the big thing going forward is this setup. For tomorrow, large area of showers, even a couple storms off to the northwest, have a chance to make areas like Cadillac, Traverse City, even areas from Escanaba all the way over to the west toward Iron River. Those are spots that have a chance to actually get some severe storms later into tomorrow. However, for us in southeast Michigan, our shower chance is late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. That one's pretty easy to see. But that curvature that you saw, we're on the eastern edge, this is flowing along with it. So it drops its way through. We do get some heavy rain on Wednesday morning, but severe weather doesn't look likely. It looks like we get heavy rainfall. That comes to an end. We get a chance to start clearing on up as we head toward Thursday, and that gives us plenty of heat. Well, they are into the 90s. Shower chances likely earlier in the day, but that will also determine just how hot we get. The issue, though, we're very humid. We are very humid on Thursday, enough that even low 90s or even upper 80s will likely make it feel like we're going to be closer to that century mark.